In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money on PayPal. Whether you're new to PayPal or just need a refresher, this quick guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open a PayPal account if you haven't already. This can be done easily by visiting the PayPal website and selecting the option to sign up. During the sign up process, you'll provide some personal information like your name, email address, and a secure password. PayPal may also ask for additional details to verify your identity, so be on the lookout for any emails from them. Once your account is created, you're all set to receive money. Now go ahead and log into your PayPal account. This might seem straightforward, but it's always good to ensure your login information is correct. After accessing the PayPal homepage, click on the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Then you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Remember to use a strong password to keep your account secure. After entering your credentials, click on Login to access your account. Once logged in, make sure your email address is verified. This is a critical step because without verification, you won't be able to receive money. If you haven't verified your email yet, PayPal will send a confirmation email. Simply follow the link in that email to verify your address. This step is crucial as it confirms that you have access to the email associated with your PayPal account. With your email verified, it's time to inform the person sending you money. Provide them with the email address or mobile number linked to your PayPal account. This is how PayPal recognizes you as the recipient of the funds. When the sender transfers the money, you should receive a notification from PayPal. Notifications can be sent via email or through the PayPal app on your device, alerting you of the funds received. It's a seamless process, making it easy to track transactions. Now that the money is in your PayPal account, you have a couple of options. You can choose to transfer the funds to your linked bank account, which allows you to use the money however you need. This is great for paying bills or making purchases outside of PayPal. Simply follow the transfer process on your PayPal dashboard to complete the transaction. Alternatively, you may decide to keep the money in your PayPal balance. Keeping funds in your PayPal account lets you make online purchases directly or save for future transactions. And there you have it. Receiving money on PayPal is just that simple. Stick around for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy transacting!